Hey guys, Andy here. So, sorry I stepped on my bed there. I was sitting on my bed. So, happy Wednesday. So, today at 2:20 Eastern Standard Time, no less, August 7th, to 2:20 Eastern Standard Time, all ES participants, FEMA and the FCC will be conducting a nationwide test of the EAS. Last time, in 2018, they had the National Periodic Test, also a wireless EAS test. So today at 2:20, I'm going to record it. But my camcorder and be uploaded to YouTube or with my phone. Alright, so nationwide EAS test. The Federal Communications Commission, the FCC and FEMA will be conducting a nationwide test of the EAS on August 27, 2019 at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If conditions on the day of the test require the rescheduling of the test, a secondary test day was scheduled for Wednesday, August 21st. So, oh boy. Yeah. All EAS participants like primary entry point systems. So today, 2:20, which is about like an hour. Yeah, so it's about 1:11 now. So at 2:18, I'll record it. I'll record it. So see you guys at 2:20. Later, dudes. Peace out.